And I have to say, it really is the cutest Christmas dessert ever. It's the perfect dessert for sharing. I love orange and lemon. And you only want the orange part, so make sure not to put in the pith. Wow, the smell of this is out of this world. All that orange and lemon. And I just need to knead this just a little, just to make sure all the ingredients are properly mixed together. Now, Struffoli is one of those recipes that you need to make literally the night before Christmas. So my nonna would stay up all night, the night before Christmas Eve, to make sure we had the freshest Struffoli ever. Perfect. The dough is smooth. Look at those colors. Look at that confetti in here. All that orange and lemon zest. I need to make my dough rest just a little. I'm making a nice little honey syrup to dip those dough balls into. And this is so simple. A couple of sweet things. A little sugar, a little honey, and a little water to just thin it out. Now have a look, my dough is all ready to go. So fun. And growing up, this was our favorite part, to roll it out. How adorable. And now I've got a whole bunch more to make. Now, are these cute or what? I'm gonna fry them up, but in batches. I wanna get them into the oil. They're gonna puff up, get really gold. And these cook up in just a couple seconds. Look, they just float right to the top. And they start turning gold right away. Look at these! How pretty are they? Watch this. That sugar melted in all of that honey, and it made for the most rich syrup. Just give these a little coat, and they're gonna cool down so that I can actually handle them. Now, my grandma would just put a big bowl of these right in front of us, and we would love to eat them. But I'm gonna make an extra little special presentation. Hey, it is Christmas, right? Now, my grandma would gather us all around the table with all of the fun toppings, and we'd get to sprinkle everything on top. I've got a little powdered sugar, some colored sprinkles that are also the Italian flag, but are also Christmas, and some nice little cherries. So first, I'm gonna let it snow. Oh. This is so good. When you squish them in your mouth, it lets out all of that honey syrup. Wow.